इसको बंद कर दो, सॉरी
सर, सड़क पर आपको बोलने नहीं दिया जाता है, आपको घसीटा जाता है और संसद में माइक बंद किया जाता है, आपसे माफी मांगने को कहता है, तो अब आपके पास ऑप्शन क्या है, कैसे अपनी बात रखें?
ऑप्शन तो पूरा रास्ता खुला हुआ है, अनलिमिटेड ऑप्शन है, आप देख रहे हो, ऑप्शन की कोई कमी थोड़ी है। बोलने के अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं, अलग अलग स्पेसेस होती हैं। जो मैंने आज पार्लियामेंट में बोला, एक इमेज बनाई हुई है, अमित शाह इज हीरो ऑफ द नेशन, नरेंद्र मोदी इज लाइक गॉड। गुब्बारा बना रखा है, हजारों करोड़ रुपए लगे हैं उसमें सस्टेन करने के लिए, उसमें हवा भरनी पड़ती है रोज। आप लोगों का भी प्रयोग होता है, मीडिया का भी प्रयोग होता है, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, आरएएफ, दिल्ली पुलिस, कि भैया गुब्बारा ना फट जाए। बच्चों को मारा क्यों जा रहा है, बच्चों को धमकाया क्यों जा रहा है? इमेज को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए कि भैया ये फिर से ना आ जाए। बट इनको बात समझ नहीं आ रही है, गुब्बारा फट गया है, फटाक से खत्म हो गया, वो है ही नहीं। रात के 12 बजे प्राइम मिनिस्टर आते हैं, थिंकिंग दैट जस्ट बिकॉज ही पुट द फोन इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज फेस लाइक दिस, he suddenly becomes, he's able to communicate to Gen Z. No, the problem is your image. The problem is what you have done to these students. The problem is how you've destroyed their future. The problem is what you've done to the economy. That's the problem. And that image is gone. So, field is open for us. And I really thank the students. I'm very proud of them. And I don't like saying this. They had the courage that their parents did not have. I'm sure many of your children were in the protests. They had the courage that you did not have. And I'm proud of every single Indian student who did it. Thank you.
CNN Network 18 से शिरीन। ये इधर फ्रंट।
Hi sir, my name is Sharon. I'm from CNN News 18. My question is that there has been a demand from the Congress and the opposition that there needs to be a statement by the Home Minister. Today the anti-paper leak bill has been passed. Do you expect that the statement will happen, or will you continue to demand a statement?
It's not an anti-paper leak bill. It's a paper leak punishment bill. There's nothing in this that says they are going to stop paper leaks. Anti-paper leak bill is something that stops paper leaks. It's not going to stop paper leaks. Paper leaks are going to continue. This is just put a little rubber stamp saying that we've increased the punishment from 1 year to 10 years. That's all it is. Right?
मनोरंजन
What was the second part?
Sorry.
No, we'll demand it, we'll demand it. But the fact of the matter is the Home Minister doesn't have the guts to come to Parliament. Home Minister doesn't have the guts to stand in front of you like this. Home Minister would run away if he had to stand in front of you like this. He just run. So we don't expect him to come. But we do understand that he is responsible. And we're not going to let him get away with it.